Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share another video in how many cable and wiring harness in the MAZDA CX3. This is MAZDA CX3 2015, but it is the generation 2015 and 2020, and the head unit screen already been removed, which you can see another video in our channel how to remove it. And here it is on my hand, showing all the position of the cable at the back end, so you can counting from the right to the left. 1, okay, 2, 3, okay, and then there's one here which standing for the number 4. Okay, so there's 5 slot, but we can count in 4, because basically what I see from here, we actually have okay, 5 together. I think we are missing, okay, we are missing to count this one, so the white one on the top. Okay, so there's 6 port at the back end of the head unit and screen, but there's only 5 cable on the car. And which are they? So they are here. Okay, 1 blue, 2 big white, and it looks like this, and it looks like this, and the other 2 are here, one like this. So totally 5 cable connected behind the head unit screen, and that is MAZDA CX3 2015. So thanks again for watching. We are actually doing the upgrade for this car, and see you soon on another one.